Tired of paying full price at the pump? Let's activate your GasBuddy card and start saving money instantly. First, make sure you have the GasBuddy app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log into your GasBuddy account. If you don't have one yet, tap Sign Up and create one. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the corner. Tap it, and find the Activate Card option in the menu list. This will take you to the card activation screen. Carefully enter your GasBuddy card number. You will also be asked for the last 4 digits of your social security number for security purposes. Don't worry, it's encrypted and kept secure. Double check that you've entered all the information correctly, and then tap the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message saying your card is now activated and ready to use. It might take a few minutes for the activation to fully process. Now you're all set to start saving money on gas. Use your GasBuddy card at participating gas stations and watch those fuel savings add up.